Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To fix a blinking light issue on your Comcast gateway, first identify what the blinking pattern means. A blinking green or white light usually signifies that the gateway is trying to establish a connection to the internet. Simple steps to resolve this include: 1. Checking all cable connections for any looseness or damage. 2. Restarting your Comcast gateway by unplugging it for a minute and plugging it back in. 3. If problems persist, trying a factory reset may be necessary. Remember, a factory reset will erase all custom settings. Contacting Comcast support is recommended if these steps do not resolve the issue.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.